Our webinar for tonight is all about automated agent system. Okay, so from the word itself, there's automated. So this is more onto automation. And this is perfect for real estate agents. So I believe all of us here are agents. Some of us here are digital marketers, no? And I think some of us here is in network marketing. Pero the purpose is the same, which is to do this automated or automatically. All right, so let's start. I have like a quick question lang. Now, who among you here or sino dito yung pumasok sa real estate for more time, more income, and more control sa life? Can you type 1? I'm just curious about sa audience natin. Ayan, si Sir Roland. So, I believe naman there's a reason why we are here in real estate. And who among you here is feeling tired or feeling pagod na sa kakahabol ng clients, like buried for paperworks, and at the same time, laging iniisip kung saan siya kukuha ng bagong leads or new prospect? Can you type 2 in the chat para we can know and we can address you better?